Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. So this is the design that I did for you in this video. These are the products that I used from Miss You Beauty. So after my last design, yes, my nails are yellow. I should have actually applied a thin layer of clear acrylic on my previous design, but I forgot, so never mind. So yes, I'm just applying some tips to my nails. These are actually stilettoed edge tips, which is not something that I would normally go for. That was a mistake. I actually went for the fact that they were stilettos. So I'm just blending these nails to my natural nails. And so yeah, so what I'm doing is a very short video because my new salon has just been done up and I'm really excited, so I've spent quite a bit of time in there getting it ready. So this is the Diamond Glitter Gel Citrine that is designed by Tony Lee, and I got this from the Scottish Hair and Beauty show. I absolutely love it. Please also accept my apologies for the lighting with my video. It wasn't in my normal settings or anything like that. It was just a quick tutorial that I did for you. So I'm just using my gel brush for this and I'm just applying it to my nail. I'm just putting it all over my nail. It's my first time using it as well, so please be gentle with me. So I've just applied base coat and I have cured that in my LED lamp for 30 seconds. So I do just apply this all over the nail and I just love it. It's gold, it's absolutely gorgeous. You can get them on the website. I will put links to everything that I used in this video in the description box below for you all to check out. Yeah, so like I said, the lighting on this video is pretty rubbish really, so I really am sorry about this. You can't really see the full effects of these glitters. So what I do actually is I do the same design on my sister. So I'm just applying my UV gel, my builder gel to the top so that when I'm filing I don't file off any glitter. So yeah, and I forgot to actually record my 3D nail art, so my sister had exactly the same design, so this video will switch to my sister's nail, so I really do apologise for that. I don't know what was happening. Like I said, I'd been on holiday and my salon has been upside down. So it's a bit of a nightmare and I'm afraid this video is very short for you all, but so here we go. So what I use here is it's called Mojito 4D gel from Miss You Beauty, and what I'm doing is a 3D bow. So just place that on the nail at the cuticle area, and with my gel brush and some gel cleanser I just pat it into shape, just the shape I want. And then I've got Barbie Heart, another 4D gel from Miss You Beauty. I absolutely love these, they're perfect for doing 3D nail art, love them to bits. So I just get them out there with my cuticle tool and I just apply a small bead at either side of my centre of the bow here. And again, with the gel brush and the gel cleanser, I just pat them out into the shape that I want. So yeah, thankfully my sister had exactly the same design, which is just so fortunate for me, because then I was able to film me doing her nails. As you can see, mine are a little bit longer than hers, but exactly the same gel, because she loved the design so much, she wanted it. So and so now I am applying my Miss You Beauty non-wipe gel top coat to the nails. So thank you so much for watching my video today, guys. I'm sorry it's a little one, But I will be back next week with some goodies that I bought from the Scottish Hair and Beauty Show. I'll be telling you all about it. It was absolutely fabulous, and I got loads of goodies, some new stuff for you to see. So if you enjoyed my video, please give me a big thumbs up as usual. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. And I'll see you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye.